Namaste everyone! Welcome back to TTC Film Production YouTube channel. I'm Levent, and today we're going to talk about an incredibly diverse and vibrant country, India. While exploring this incredible nation, it's essential to be mindful of cultural nuances. So, in today's video, we'll be discussing 10 things you should avoid doing in India to ensure a respectful and enjoyable experience. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, dressing appropriately is crucial. In many parts of India, modesty is highly valued. Avoid wearing revealing clothing, especially in religious places. It's always a good idea to carry a scarf or shawl to cover your shoulders when needed. In India, it's customary to remove your footwear before entering someone's home, religious places, or even certain shops. Always be observant and follow the lead of the locals. It's a sign of respect and cleanliness. While love is universal, public displays of affection can be frowned upon in many Indian communities. It's best to keep expressions of affection private to avoid any uncomfortable situations. Pointing your feet at someone or religious objects is considered disrespectful in India. When sitting on the floor, ensure your feet are pointed away from people and religious symbols. It's a cultural norm to be mindful of. India is a land of diverse religions. Always respect the religious practices and rituals you may encounter. Silence and modesty are often expected in religious spaces. Avoid taking photos if it's prohibited. The left hand is traditionally considered impure in many Indian cultures. Avoid using your left hand for giving or receiving objects, eating, or shaking hands. Stick to using your right hand for these activities. On a related note, when offered food or drinks, use your right hand to accept them. It's a gesture of goodwill and politeness in many Indian communities. Bargaining is common in India, especially in markets. However, it's not always appropriate in all situations. Avoid haggling in established stores, restaurants, or places with fixed pricing. Patience is a virtue, especially in queues. Cutting lines or pushing through crowds is considered impolite. So, remember to wait your turn, whether it's at a ticket counter, in public transportation, or elsewhere. Finally, be mindful of your surroundings and dispose of your trash properly. India is working towards maintaining cleanliness, and your contribution can make a significant impact. Use designated bins or carry your trash until you find an appropriate place to dispose of it. And there you have it, 10 things you should avoid doing in India to ensure a positive and respectful experience. Remember, cultural sensitivity goes a long way in making your trip memorable. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, happy travels. Namaste.